Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please, before proceeding to our this session, I just want to request you guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done it, please do that and hit the bell icon present on my channel. So without further delay, let's continue. Okay guys, in this session we are going to look into the topic called initialization process. So before that, I just want to tell you that this class loader subsystem is consist of three activities: loading, linking and initialization. In previous two videos we have learned about loading and linking, but in this video we are going to learn about initialization. Okay guys, let's study for the learning of the initialization. Okay, yeah guys, this is the initialization process where all your static variables will be get assigned with original values that you have mentioned in your program, and all the static blocks will be executed from top to bottom and from parent to child. If you are a Java programmer, you know all these terminologies, but if you are a beginner, so don't be nervous if these terms are new for you. What are these static blocks? What is these static variables? In our coming sessions, I am going to take sessions on those concepts also. What are these static variables? What are these static blocks? For just now, you just keep in mind this initialization process is consist of initializing the static variables and executing the static blocks. Okay guys, this is this one is the third and the last step of class loader subsystem. So I created this diagram. So this diagram consists of overview of the loading of Java classes, or you can say the what are the parts present in a class loader subsystem. Okay, the three processes you can see here, all these three processes are present under class loader subsystem. The loading, this whole is a linking process. This one is the initialization process. Just we talked about this initialization, as its name suggests, initializing the static variables and executing the static blocks from top to bottom and from parent class to the child class. Okay, this loading is the first step, comes under the class loader subsystem. This process consists of reading and loading the dot class files into the JVM memory. This linking consists of three activities, sub-activities. Verification is verifying whether your loaded dot class file is properly formatted or not, whether it is generated by a valid compiler or not. And keep in mind that guys, this verification process provides security to your Java program, and because of that, this process only your Java language is considered as a secure language. Okay, if your created dot class file is not secure, then you will get verify error. Okay, so if it is properly verified, after that the next process is preparation. In the preparation step, all your static variables will be get assigned